Welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to try making a brie in the air fryer. I cooked that at 350 for I guess about 12 minutes. You know, you normally do it in the oven, but I wanted to see if this would work here in my air fryer. So this is what I'm gonna add to my brie. Just gonna blend dipping sauce. You normally mix this with olive oil to put your bread in. Fig spread. This is some Harvest nut granola that I had left over from a salad from Chick-fil-A. Hot honey. Cranberries. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna add it here. I'll go ahead and I'll add the fig spread on top of the brie. This is my first time to try this little jar of fig spread, and it looked real nice, so that's why I'm doing this. Hot honey. Just go ahead and I'm going to use the whole pack. Grand raisins. You put as much as you like to your liking, whichever way you want to prepare it. These are some little garden chips. And that's the brie here. I haven't eaten it in a long time because you know it's kind of expensive, but anyway, I wanted to try it mainly because I did it in the air fryer. Well, it came out good because it's very soft. Let's see if I can get that without making a mess. Yeah, it's real tender. It melted it real good. And today it's chilly here, but I wanted to see how well it would come out in the air fryer because I do like to use my air fryer a lot. Mine is a Kasori and I love it. And like they say, why work harder when you can work smarter? And then you don't have to crank up the oven. Okay, let's check this out and see if it's any good. These are some garden crackers, chips, whatever you want to call them. Yep, turned out good. Bon appetit.